Have a good day to all employers. My name is Vivian Miranda, 29 years old from Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I am married, blessed with 3 children. Their ages are 12, 10, and 4 years old. Currently, I am working here in Hong Kong for almost 4 years in just one employer. I serve 5 members of the family, including 4 adults. The 2 are healthy elderly and 1 child. They are living in 1,200 square feet house in Chun Mun. And my main duties and responsibilities includes housekeeping, cooking, laundry, ironing, assist with the child needs such as feeding, and sometimes I accompany Papa when go to the market. I also take care of the family dog whenever needed. Ma'am, sir, I am looking for a new employer before my contract ends on September 2, 2026. If you hire me, I assure you that I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest. I can adapt easily, and I can work independently and manage my duties well. I hope to have the opportunity to work with your family soon. Thank you and have a blessed day.